I would say we are storytellers. But before we can tell a story, we need to explore. It is not just about the destinations, the waterfalls, beaches or mountains. It is more about the journey. Taking the road less traveled means that we embrace the potholes along our way. There is something magical about the wild, the unknown. What is waiting behind the next corner? Where does this small track lead? Traveling in nature changes our outlook on life. The tranquility of a place devoid of humans helps us to reflect on what truly matters.
We got ourselves properly stuck here in this very deep mud.
Of course, not everything is running smoothly, but it is often those mishaps that make our best stories. Fishing the drone out of a river, camping in torrential rain, days without a shower, a dead car battery, or exhausting hikes through deep mud or mosquito-infested swamps. Those are the stories we will remember. For us, happiness is finding fulfillment in the suffering we choose. Because a life full of adventure is the only life we want to live.